In this video, I'm going to show you how to create site goals for your website so that you can build your website to crush these goals and save a ton of time and energy down the road. What do you want people to do on your site? The answer needs to be crystal clear. If you are an e-commerce store, then you want people to buy your stuff. If you're a restaurant, you want people to place an order. If you're an online coach, you want people to book a strategy call. Your site needs a primary goal. This is the main reason that you have a website. Without this, your website's just like an online brochure, and it doesn't move people in a direction to work with you or to buy from you. Your primary goal needs to be written down, preferably in the free fillable website design checklist for this course. This will keep all of your content ready and in one place. Next, you need a secondary goal. You need a plan B if someone doesn't want to take you up on your primary goal. Sometimes, especially for higher ticket goals, people will not buy or book right away. What can you give them to build trust in exchange for their contact information? You need a way to stay in communication with them, even if they choose not to take action on your primary goal. Your secondary goal is also sometimes called a lead magnet. This is a free thing that you can give someone in exchange for their name, email, and sometimes their phone number, so that they become a lead. What kind of lead magnet you offer to those just browsing on your website depends on the industry that you're in. Ask yourself, how can I add as much value as possible? Is it a downloadable PDF on how to make the perfect vegan cake? Is it a video course on how to get started with selling real estate? Is it a free fillable website design checklist? Look, people are more likely to buy from you when they have first trusted you with a small stepping stone, such as giving you their contact information. Maybe you're thinking like, why do I want someone's email? I don't want to be emailing anyone. Is email even still a thing? Do email campaigns even work? Do people still open emails from businesses? Well, yes and no. True, the majority of email addresses that you collect may not become customers, but a good percentage of them will. How good?
100 million billion%.
Up to 5%. Does that seem like a small amount? Well, that depends on how many email addresses that you have and how much your product or service costs. If I sell website design services, which I do, and 5 people out of 100 take me up on an offer that I send via email, that's a huge win. If you have 100,000 people on a list, then things get really awesome. Make sure that you have both your primary goal and your secondary goal written down before you build your website, because it will shape how you build your website. You're going to want to make sure that you are directing people towards your primary goal. All of that stuff really matters when it comes to creating your website. And if you don't have clear goals, then your website's going to be confusing and people are just going to click away. This is just the second part of my first course of designing a Squarespace website from scratch. And if you have any questions about creating a primary, secondary goal, or a lead magnet, then go ahead and shoot me a comment, ask the question in the comments below, and I'll get back to you. Let's put the art back into content marketing. I'll see you in the next video.